If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.
Welcome to Moss Reviews. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, testing the product, and we're finally going to be doing a review. So we're unboxing the Timekettle Translator earbuds, and this has multiple different languages. It has English, Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, French, Italian, I don't know what that language is, and Chinese and Japanese. So it has a lot of different languages it translates to.
And I think that's not all. I think there's a lot more. It would just overwhelm the box, and it would be hard to see in the back. So we're just gonna do the unboxing. My son's really excited about this because he's going to Spain in February, and so okay, put this down here.
It's a pretty cool looking box.
Yes, I'll put this down here. So the box is a little bit transparent. You can see they're here. Here's the design. Now, they spent some good time designing the box. So, really cool design.
It's one of the coolest boxes I've seen yet.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa, these look so cool.
So, this is the manual. It is super tiny. But then also has a QR code. Oh, your hat's in the way. And so...
What? Must be for the app or something.
So it shows you how to touch it and how to change it. Tips and tricks. Warranty regulations, maintenance, and then it's different languages. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Whoa, there's a lot of stuff here.
Yeah. So here, I'm guessing it's the charger. Yeah, so you got a charging cable. Let's see. Oh, this is for, so you got the charging cable right here. This is the charging port area, or charging cable.
There's a little thing in the bag.
This is more, I think, extras for where it holds for the earpiece. See?
I see. There's a lot of stuff packed into this little box.
Yeah, there is. And then, let's see. Then you have this. It's got little extra earbuds, which is pretty common with this. Okay. Oh, so here we have, I don't know what this is.
What's a Timekettle fist card?
It has a PIN number. So I'm wondering if that's for your registration. So this is step 1, step 2, modes, touch mode. Then you have touch mode, speaker mode, group chat. That's more group chat. Live group chat information. How to invite your friend to join the group. How to download, use the offline package. Okay, so pretty much it's text translation, history, what's in this upper right corner app. So just a whole bunch of information. Okay, so now we have the actual earbuds.
Finally gonna get into the earbuds.
Here we have the port to charge it. It's got some plastic. Oh, it has light, charging port lights. So
That's pretty cool.
So it tells you at what step, I'm guessing it's charged.
Wow, those are fancy.
Yeah, they do. So here we have.
These remind me of those really expensive Apple earphones.
Yeah. So these are this is the design. I think this is lights up.
Yeah, these look awesome.
Yeah. And so we're going to be testing it. Out here, got to remove this to charge it. This is connected. So make sure if you get this to remove this, because the metal piece for the charger is right here and at the end. As you can see.
It's pretty cool. They lighten up.
And I think they're magnetic, so they won't fall.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, so that's the unboxing portion of the video. We will be testing it and showing a video, and then we'll be doing a review. Okay, so we tested the earbuds, and we're very impressed by the quality, the audio, the translation, and so we'll just cover some of the aspects that I really like. First, the app. The app is very user-friendly. You can pretty much pick different options. You can pick a group setting. You can also pick where you use the earbuds. You use one, you get the other one to the next person. And what it does is you're able to pick the languages that person hears and translates, and then your what you're speaking. So if I was speaking English and the person was Spanish, they would be able to hear it in Spanish, and then I would be able to hear what they said in English. And so it helps in that way. Then there's also the earbuds if you just want to use it to listen and you're the only one listening to hear what people are saying in Spanish or different languages. There are so many different languages you can pick from. It also allows you to pretty much pick the pauses in between. So if it's going way too fast, you can slow it down. There are so many different options that really you could do, and you also can flip-flop it. You can pretty much if you're using the app, you can press a button and it'll just flip it from, if you're listening English, you just flip it to Spanish. Also, you could change the language very easily in the app, and just very impressive with the app and everything it does. It also allows you to read if the person also, can't hear, then you can read it on your phone because it's translated in text messages or text form in your phone as well. So many different ways that you could interact with different people throughout the world because all the different languages that it pretty much translates. And it is 95 or 94% accurate, and I will say that's pretty accurate. One thing that doesn't do well, I was trying to talk to my mom, who's from Spain, and used the earbuds. She was on the phone. It doesn't do a good job picking up from the phone, so it's more obviously the electrical or the transmission doesn't pick up very well. So you'll have to pretty much be in person. I think that there might be a different, because I was using a home phone, or actually a cell phone, and it was kind of sound a little staticky. So I think if you have a better audio system, if you're probably like streaming or something, it might work better because audio, you'll be using more advanced microphone, which will sound more clear and crisp. Then you'll be able to translate it. But for the most part, it's just you have to be live. And I can see this implementation being used also on, I'm guessing it'll be used like in webcams and stuff like that. Because if you could do it in webcam, then you'll be able to translate, you'll be able to pretty much negotiate and do international sales, distribution, and everything. So I could definitely see this programming being used in multiple ways. So highly recommend. I would give the as far as the design and quality of the earbuds, 5 out of 5. The audio, 5 out of 5. Great audio, and of course you can also listen to music at the same time. And the earbuds are touch sensitive, so it's really easy to just touch it and it'll switch settings and different things. So 5 out of 5. The overall translation, I'll give it like a 4.8 out of 5 because it is only 94% accurate. And there is one stipulation, like if you have multiple people talking at the same time, it will try to pick up the language of all the people that are speaking. So at that time, if you're in a crowded room, it might be hard to decipher what they're saying, the person you're trying to talk to, because it's trying to pick up multiple people. I think it's more of you have to be one-on-one. There are group settings for the earbuds, but I think that the one-on-one is more works better. So for the translation, 4.8 out of 5. The app, 5 out of 5. Really love the app. There are so many things you can do in the app. I think it's one of the best app and some of the best settings that I've seen in apps where you can manipulate every aspect of the translation from how fast it says it and how easy it is to flip it from Spanish to English to different languages. It's a phenomenal app. 5 out of 5. Overall total, I'm gonna give this like a 4.9 out of 5. It's pretty close to being perfect. I really do like the earbuds. I do wish that they have, which they do kind of, they have where it hooks so you don't lose it. Because my son has a tendency not to put it right and kind of falls. So I just wish that it was a little bit more secure. I'm guessing eventually they're going to have it in different forms, like headsets and, like I said, webcams. There's so many different implementations that they could use this for. Phenomenal. Highly recommend.